Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to utilize advanced filtering and sorting in Monday.com. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Monday.com web application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is, how can you create an account on Monday? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type monday.com. It's going to take you to the official website for Monday. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompt to either sign in or to sign up. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to utilize advanced filtering and sorting. Now, from your homepage, head over to any project of your choice. So let's say from this left corner, I click the MathFest project. All right, ta-da. And let's say I want to make use of the advanced filtering method. So from this board, I'm just going to have to head over to filter and click on this filter. So I'm going to switch to quick filters and I'm going to show you how you can use the advanced filtering option. Okay, so now I'm here. The next thing I have to do is to head over to the bottom corner of the screen and click on switch to advanced filters, and it's going to take me here. So right here we have three segments, right? We have the columns. You select the column, you select the condition, and you select the value. So let's say which column the one filter. Let's say I want to filter by status, where status, and then the condition is where status is not done. Okay, or I'm going to say when status is done. Okay, so when status is done, and you see that this particular filter has been what's it called, this particular filter has created a new view in the home page, right, of this board. So right here I can set this to save as new. All right, so I've saved that as new, and right here I can just change this to rename this to status done. So that's it. That's how you can use the advanced filter. Now I can head over to my main table and I'm going to see everything right there. Okay, so even in your filter, you can even use a particular filter and just select your filter and go ahead and hide your filters if you want to hide your filter. No, it's not what you do. Okay, so this one, and you have this main table. All right, so this is pretty much it. So you can actually click on this, or you can even add more values if you want to add more values, and of course save as new. So that's pretty it. The next is sorting. How can you sort? So you can sort items by priority, deadline, or any other column on this board. Now you can click on new sort. So what do you want to sort as? All right, so let's say the name. Let's say, okay, I want to sort by dependency. All right, let's say dependency, and I can actually make it ascending or descending. All right, let's say descending, and that's it. So if I want to save this, right, if I want to save this as a new view, I can actually click on save to this view. But I don't want to save it. But this is pretty much how you can use the sorting to actually, sort different views, or to sort different elements by different elements that's going to constitute a new view in your workspace. Okay, so that's pretty much the entire process. This is how you can use filters, and you can use board. You can use filters, and you can use sorting to actually organize your project or organize your board in monday.com. Now you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.